Hi there, Frank George here, introducing the super comfortable and elegant AeroStretch Massage Edition Power Leather Zero Wall Reclining Sofa. Designed to soothe your back and relieve waist tension with gentle air pressure in 2 selectable massage modes. It's ideal for daily comfort and for deep relief after long hours of work or discomfort. You will find it extremely comfortable and ergonomically designed for all-day comfort, as the lumbar backrest is more firm and it conforms to your body, and the upper backrest is more soft for great comfort. And the 4.7 adjustable headrest offers personalized neck support whether you're sitting or reclining. The one-button operation allows you to find your perfect and most comfortable position with ease. And it's synchronized reclining. Independently controlled sides. You can recline on each side and seamless adjustments, both for the backrest and the footrest. Our family and guests enjoy the built-in drop-down tray with cup holders for easy access, plus wireless charging to charge your wireless device. And the side storage pockets keep remotes, magazines, or tablets within reach. And when you get yours, it'll all come in 3 boxes, and it's super easy to set up. And it fits perfectly in this space in our lake house, overlooking the lake view. Isn't it beautiful? And here's the dimensions of this sofa. Total luxury in every detail, upholstered in top grain leather that's soft and breathable and naturally beautiful. This AeroStretch brings refined elegance to your space, and over time, it'll soften slightly, but it'll remain very attractive and always stay easy to clean too. Built to last, from quality tested materials to a solid wood frame and whisper quiet motion. Listen. One button operation for recline and retract. You can stop wherever you'd like for your comfort. The headrest and the footrest move at the same time. Oh, that massage feels wonderful. And the headrest is amazingly comfortable. You and your family will absolutely love this massage recliner sofa. And when you order, You will absolutely enjoy fast delivery, easy returns, and a lifetime limited warranty.